Welcome back. The Federal Road Safety Corps has launched a mobile app aimed at improving road safety across Nigeria. The Corps Marshal shared the app's features when the CEO, GMD of TVC Communications and other officials visited the FRSC. Uloma Onyemachi reports.
The TVC Communications team, led by CEO GMD, Mrs. Victoria Ajayi, has continued its strategic tour of partnerships with public and private sectors. This time, the Federal Road Safety Corps was the next stop. As the CEO, accompanied by the Bureau Chief of Abuja and Northern Operations, exchanged greetings with FRSC officials, this visit marked the start of an important collaboration.
Now we are pairing with the
Speaking, Mrs. Ajayi expressed her enthusiasm about the partnership, highlighting the critical role that TVC Communications could play in amplifying the FRSC's road safety message across the country.
I really like when I read about the app that's coming up and monitoring crashes. I really just hope Nigerians will use it.
Exactly.
So I think a lot of sensitization and possibly even showing how that app works would really be good, so that people understand that, look, it's for your benefit.
The attention then turned to the Corps Marshal, Shehu Mohammed, who in an exclusive interview shared the app's innovative features. He explained how real-time traffic updates, instant accident reporting, and easy access to road safety tips would significantly reduce road accidents.
It will tell either the driver or the passenger that the driver is over speeding. It can also tell the passenger that there is a black spot while the driver is moving.
He also discussed the FRSC's heightened focus on road safety as the Ember months begin, a period notorious for an increase in road travel and accidents.
We are moving now to more of national conferences where all our commands will stage a conference, a press conference at the same time, so as to be able to sensitize not only the drivers but the general public.
The event's highlight was when FRSC officials demonstrated the app's capabilities. A live QR code scan showed how users could instantly download and explore the app. Along with the app, the FRSC also introduced a toll-free number for road emergencies, further enhancing their commitment to reducing accidents and saving lives. With this collaboration, both the FRSC and TVC Communications are optimistic about the app's potential to create safer roads for all Nigerians. Uloma Onyemachi, TVC News, Abuja.
Let's take you to Katsina, where the state government, in collaboration with UNICEF, has procured more than 7,000 cartons of RUTF supplement to assist severely malnourished children in the state. The government says the move is to curb severe malnutrition in this part of the country. Abdulatif Yusuf reports.
Recent indices on severe malnutrition and viral pictures coming out from areas troubled with insecurity in Katsina truly confirms the severity of malnutrition in the Northwest state. This is why Katsina State government is seeking collaboration with relevant agencies to get necessary support. This is the official handover of 7,000 cartons of RTUF to Katsina State government, jointly purchased by the state and the UNICEF.
We need to take care of our young ones, of our children under 5. And today we stand here with the governor of Katsina. We both join. We put the same amount of funds. He put 200 million nairas. We put 200 million nairas, and we brought together 7,000 cartons of what we call our UTFs.
Although the state has similar partnership with several development agencies, but the government feels it is necessary to do whatever it takes to overcome severe malnutrition at all costs. Creating proper awareness through UNICEF ambassadors can also make a difference.
There's food crisis generally because of the insecurity and some other factors. So we're very concerned about children, like I told you initially, and we're willing to do the best that we can to see that we encourage all governments to come on board and partner with UNICEF to carry out this task.
Though malnutrition is treatable, its complication and long-term effects can affect physical and mental health of a child. After receiving the items, the governor also took time to inspect the supplements. Abdulatif Yusuf, TVC News, Katsina.
Elsewhere, the Benue State government says it has stepped up cancer awareness campaign, which has become a leading cause of death, with free 1,500 testing for prostate, breast, and cervical cancer. Chief Medical Director of the Benue State University Teaching Hospital, Makodi, Stephen Owande, disclosed this in Makodi. Maya Wakwato reports.
Responsible for over 79,000 deaths and approximately 124,000 cases in Nigeria each year, accounting for the second highest cancer burden in Africa. New approaches and collective efforts have been developed to reverse the ugly trend. For instance, facilities at the Benue State University Teaching Hospital in Makodi has been upgraded with MRI and mammo X-ray services, all functioning as Benue State government begins free screening of 1,500 persons to test for prostate, breast, and cervical cancer.
Starting sexual intercourse very early, being in a multiple partner situation like polygamy, having a partner that has sexually, or you yourself having sexually transmitted infections. All of this can contribute. Smoking can contribute to women developing cervical cancer.
One of the resource persons speak on the treatment regime and the need to support the process.
Total PSA and pre-PSA for prostatic carcinoma. We have CA30 and CA125 for breast cancer. We have a long list of biomarkers that we can determine now and give you the value either for screening or for monitoring response to treatment.
While Governor Isent Alia's representatives speak on industrial harmony and care for these equipments, the CMD asks Nigerians to take advantage of the free testing and treatment.
A lot of medical equipment and diagnostic were on display here, world class. I'm encouraging the management of BSU to ensure that they have a proper maintenance culture, to ensure that they don't allow any of those equipment to run down before we talk about.
We intend to tell the society that this is what is happening at the Benue State University Teaching Hospital. The facilities are available to diagnose now.
Many experts and medical students who turned out for the public lecture joined the management and the representative of the governor to also inaugurate the waiting bus stop. Maiwa Okwato, TVC News, Makodi.